Hello, good evening to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to enable live captions on Chrome for audio or video. For example, if you're playing a YouTube video on Chrome browser, then you can have the live captions of that particular video in this. Not only live captions, but also you can use the translate. For example, if the video is in English language, if you want the captions to be in your local language, you can do that also. I'll show you in this tutorial that both settings how you can keep. For now, I'll just play one of my tutorial video so that uh, just see here. I am just explaining download location of Chrome browser, and the same it is showing in here. It is giving the live captions. Yeah, if you observe, it is giving the live captions. How you can also enable that? Just you need to click on these three dots on the Chrome browser and please under settings you need to click on accessibility. For now, I'll close this. Yeah, by default, this option will be disabled live caption. You need to enable it. And by default, English won't be enabled for you. You need to tap on English also, then English gets downloaded. Okay, you need to click on add languages, then you need to search for English and click on English so that English gets downloaded first. Once you enable this option also. Where is this live translate? You can choose one of the language. For example, you choose any other language what is available in the list, and now when you refresh the video and check it again, I'll check the live captions again. Previously it showed me in English. Now the live captions will be in the set language. Whatever you want to set in that set language, the captions will be shown to you. I'll show. Yeah, see if you observe, now the live captions are translated to the Kannada version, Kannada language. As I set Kannada language in the live translate, so now there are captions and it also translated at the live. So if you want to do this also, you can check with the Chrome settings and then accessibility, then enable live captions and live translate. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.